Determining the single greatest invention in human history is a subjective question and can spark debates. Many inventions have had profound impacts on human civilization and have contributed significantly to our progress. Here are a few contenders for the title of the greatest invention: the wheel. One of the earliest and most fundamental inventions, the wheel revolutionized transportation and machinery, laying the foundation for modern civilization. The printing press. Invented by Johannes Gutenberg in the 15th century, the printing press enabled the mass production of books and disseminated knowledge, sparking the Renaissance and accelerating the spread of information. Electricity. The discovery and understanding of electricity transformed every aspect of human life, powering technology, industry, communication, and modern living. Penicillin and vaccines. The development of antibiotics like penicillin and vaccines revolutionized medicine, saving millions of lives and significantly increasing human life expectancy. The Internet, a revolutionary invention of the 20th century, the Internet has connected the world like never before, transforming communication, commerce, and knowledge sharing. The steam engine. The steam engine was a crucial invention during the Industrial Revolution, powering factories and trains, and paving the way for modern industrial society. Agriculture. The transition from hunter-gatherer societies to settled agriculture marked a pivotal moment in human history, leading to stable communities, surplus food, and the development of civilizations. Fire. The control and utilization of fire played a crucial role in the development of early human societies, providing warmth, protection, and the ability to cook food, which improved nutrition and energy availability. It's important to note that each of these inventions contributed to different aspects of human progress, and their impact cannot be directly compared. Moreover, the progress of civilization is often the result of a combination of inventions and innovations working together rather than any single invention alone.